Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Friday, September 15th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, Marketing for an AI-First World. The Saudi Data and Artificial Intelligence Authority, SDAIA, has launched a nationwide awareness campaign for the country's new personal data protection law. Called Ask Before, the campaign aims to underscore the significance of personal data and the importance of safeguarding it. Meanwhile, Qatar plans to harness AI for its judicial and legal systems, according to the country's Minister of Justice speaking at a conference this week. The Ministry of Justice is working with the Government AI Committee, established by the Cabinet, and the Locust Control Center of Oman's Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Water Resources is using airborne drones to combat locust swarms. The drones are used to conduct regular surveys to assess and predict potential swarm outbreaks. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.